That's how you do it, shit, like.
What? How do you know how to do this?
Simon. Thank you.
My boy.